Aruba is a beautiful island with plenty of things to do during the day for tourists and locals. But what about at nighttime? Sure, we've got great restaurants and plenty of casinos, but what about alternative options? Well, a group of comedians from New York City are here to make you laugh. These guys have all been on either The Tonight Show, Comedy Central, or even on the big screen. You can catch their stand-up act at the Marriott Hotel until Monday. Ray and Mike explains a bit about the show's concept and their stand-up styles.
Well, each comedian has their own style, so one person might focus more on relationships, the other person might talk more about observational type humor. But it's great. Everybody has a different style, and each style really complements each other really well.
I have like a joke-heavy style, so it's not joke. It's in the context of my life, but that's more my style. It's like jokes within the context of my life, and that's why you should come.
The good news is they are all friends and can make people laugh, but more importantly, they are more than capable of laughing at each other. During my interview with Ray, the boys got a chuckle out of Mr. Allen's expense.
My style is I work off the crowd quite a bit, so I might talk to people in the audience and I learn about them, where they're from, what they're doing in Aruba, if they're local, where they live on the island, and I play with the crowd quite a bit. So since there's really no crowd here, but I do also talk about New York City and talk about my ex-girlfriends and that sort of thing. You know, if we started dating and broke up, you could be part of my act.
Okay. With the jokes aside, Mike explains the key to success to stand-up routine.
Mine is just to keep writing and to keep turning material over. The more you write, the better you get. You know, even we've been doing comedy a number of years now, all of the guys here, like Ray was saying. So, but you keep writing, you keep trying, you keep making it funnier and keep turning it over. That's the key to it. Just like anything, you keep working to make it better.
The comedians bring up a good point regarding why a comedy show works on the island.
Well, I created the job opportunity because it wasn't like there was an ad listing, you know, saying comedians needed. So I just thought the island has everything to do during the day, but at night you go to a restaurant or you go to the casino. There's no real live entertainment, there's not any shows. And I knew that the American tourists and also the locals would love to see these amazing comedians, including myself, perform here in Paradise.
For more information on the comedians show, call 520-6606. We'll hear from the other two comedians on the next show, and you won't want to miss that because some of them take over the mic and do what they do best.